What if I told you Mercedes just built a luxury motorhome so advanced it can reverse park itself using AI while you sip espresso from a built-in barista-grade machine? Stick around, because the 2026 Bright Black VEVO isn't just a camper, it's a revolution on 6 wheels. Welcome back to the channel where power meets precision, where engineering elegance isn't just admired, it's analyzed. Today, we're diving into what might be the most audacious, forward-thinking Class B-plus motorhome we've seen in over a decade. Mercedes-Benz calls it the 2026 VEVO. We call it a statement. Let's start with what you see. That glossy, deep space black finish is more than just paint. It's a multi-layer graphene-infused nano coating that heals micro-scratches with heat. Park it under the sun, and it literally repairs itself. This is the kind of technology we once saw on concept cars and sci-fi flicks. Mercedes just brought it to the open road. Built on the newly re-engineered Sprinter Grand Tourer chassis, the VEVO stretches just under 27 feet. But don't be fooled. Every inch is used with surgical efficiency. The 2026 model comes standard with Mercedes eDrive X platform, dual electric motors producing 410 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, fed by a 160 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery. Range? A real-world 480 miles, or about a week of off-grid living if you're frugal. And if you're not, fast charging nets you 80% in 19 minutes. Inside, it's less RV and more private jet. Think obsidian marble countertops, backlit eucalyptus with accents, and brushed titanium hardware. The entire cabin is voice-reactive, courtesy of MBUX Vanta, Mercedes' new AI assistant tune for the VEVO. Want ambient lighting that matches the mood of the playlist? Just ask. Temperature, lighting, blinds, even the sofa's lumbar support. Fully responsive. But here's where it breaks the mold. The VEVO Smart Slide System. Instead of mechanical slide-outs, the sidewalls are electromagnetically actuated and expand seamlessly. No seams. No visible mechanics. It's like watching the vehicle breathe. And yes, it's weather-sealed at a molecular level. Good luck here in the rain while you're curled up watching 8K cinema on the 50-inch retractable OLED. Mercedes didn't forget drivers either. Behind the wheel, you're met with a cockpit that feels closer to an S-Class than a van. Augmented reality HUD, level 4 semi-autonomous drive modes, and predictive terrain mapping, all standard. Off-road package, also an option, with air suspension that lifts the entire frame by 4.5 inches at the tap of a finger. And for the tech junkies, dual Starlink receivers, solar panels generating up to 2.8 kilowatts, a 9-zone climate control system, a 360-degree drone camera companion that maps your surroundings in real time, and yes, a self-parking mode so precise it can align within 2 inches of a curb, even on uneven ground. But perhaps the most remarkable feature? The VEVO's Regenerpod, hidden beneath the rear bed platform. It's a sleep capsule embedded with biometric sensors and climate-controlled microzones. It tracks your REM cycles, adjusts mattress firmness, and subtly infuses lavender or eucalyptus mist into the air if you're restless. Mercedes is calling it wellness engineering. We call it witchcraft. Starting at $349,000, the Bright Black VEVO is not cheap. But then again, it isn't trying to be. This is for those who want the road and the Ritz. For those who believe exploration doesn't mean compromise. For the ones who want to chase horizons wrapped in leather, glass, and silence. So what do you think? Is the 2026 VEVO the future of motorhome luxury? Or is this a step too far into tech-driven excess? Hit the comments. We want to hear from the road warriors, the weekend explorers, the full-timers. And if this episode sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's ready to turn the open road into a 5-star suite on wheels. Until next time, keep your batteries full, your routes flexible, and your wheels turning.